Hi there. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In today's episode, we will be exploring the ins and outs of an element vital to any successful maintenance team: maintenance planning. Get ready to learn about this process and how it differs from scheduling. We'll also be breaking down the steps involved in this process and discussing how a well-designed CMMS can greatly simplify maintenance planning. So, let's get started. Welcome to another episode of the UpKeep video series, where we provide tools and resources to help maintenance and reliability teams be more successful. Today we're talking about a crucial aspect of any successful maintenance team: maintenance planning. So, what exactly is maintenance planning? It's the process of determining what maintenance work needs to be done and how it should be carried out. It's all about understanding the why behind maintenance tasks, and it should be constantly updated as more data becomes available. But remember, maintenance planning is not the same as scheduling. While scheduling is about daily work schedules and deadlines, planning handles the processes and materials involved in maintaining equipment. Now, let's dive into the maintenance planning process. It all begins with a work order. From there, maintenance planners plan out the tasks. Here's a breakdown of the steps involved. First, identify the problem. Next, inspect the asset and premises. Then, determine how work should be completed. After that, secure the needed parts and materials. Once you have everything you need, prioritize the tasks. Then schedule and complete the work orders. Finally, gather data and follow up. Each of these steps is crucial, but the last one is perhaps the most vital. Using data to make improvements to maintenance planning produces the safest, most effective methods for maintaining key pieces of equipment. And here's a tip. A well-designed CMMS makes asset tracking and work order management easy, making it an invaluable component of maintenance planning. So, what are the advantages of proper maintenance planning? When done well, it yields a number of benefits. These include a more orderly work environment, increased maintenance productivity with decreased costs, extended asset life, lower equipment downtime, a safer workplace, and a more proactive workplace culture. Ultimately, strong maintenance planning solidifies equipment reliability, improves production, and increases profitability. Now that we understand the importance of maintenance planning, how can we improve it at your facility? Here are some best practices to consider. First, use key indicators like schedule compliance, PMP, and MTTR to plan tasks. Next, prioritize critical, high-risk equipment over non-critical, low-risk assets. Make sure to keep necessary parts in stock, but don't waste your MRO budget on unnecessary parts, which often make up 68% of all item types. Also, examine workflows and eliminate obstacles. Keep open communication with operators. And finally, examine equipment in person. Get out of the office. Remember, maintenance planning improves as planners keep a watchful eye on data and collaborate with other departments. So keep these tips and best practices in mind as you plan your maintenance tasks. And that's a wrap for today's episode. I hope you found it informative and helpful. We've covered the importance of maintenance planning, how it differs from scheduling, the steps involved in the process, and how a well-designed CMMS can greatly simplify maintenance planning. Remember, a well-planned maintenance strategy can lead to an orderly work environment, extended asset life, and increased profitability. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For more resources and tools to help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit our website at upkeep.com. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep your maintenance planning strong and your equipment running smoothly.